Audi wasn't kidding when it said 2018 would be a very busy year. It updated the TT, it launched a brand new flagship SUV called Q8, it launched an electric SUV called e-tron, and this is the new second generation Q3. The Q3 occupies the bottom spot in Audi's SUV hierarchy. It's bolder and sharper than before. It borrows styling cues like the thin frame around the grille from the bigger Q8 flagship, and the Quattro blisters over the fender, so the flares are a tribute to the Sport Quattro from the 1980s. The Q3 follows Audi's shift towards more high-tech interiors. Behind the steering wheel is a 12.3-inch screen called Virtual Cockpit that the driver can configure using buttons on the steering wheel. It also uses a more basic version of the MMI Touch Response infotainment system found in bigger cars like the A6, the A7, and the A8. The main difference is that in the bigger models it's got two screens, one here and one here, and in the Q3 there's only one. Audi made the Q3 about 4 inches longer than the outgoing model. The extra sheet metal won't bump it into the next segment up, but they make the interior more spacious, especially for the passengers riding in the back. The 2019 Audi Q3 comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes 230 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. It spins the four wheels through a 7-speed automatic transmission and Audi's time-tested Quattro all-wheel drive system.